Time to cook. We're gonna make pastel de nata.
Hello, how are you guys?
Good.
Are you ready for a pastel de nata workshop?
We're hungry.
Yeah,
let's
go. Let's go. And I'm going to put Matt to cook pastel de nata every single day. And then each one of you is going to mold with your hand. I used to do this when I was a kid.
Like the cinnamon roll?
Yeah. But with the kids game, ¿cómo se llama? The plastilina, Play-Doh.
Play-Doh. As you can see in here, when we were doing the roll, we were just creating a spiral inside, as you can have in here. This means layers, and layers, they mean more flakiness to the dough, okay? By the way, Matt, if you join your two parts together, you can make a beautiful croissant. I think you did the most perfect one in there. Yeah.
Because this is a fresh cocktail paste. Okay, primeiro limão, one slice. Now, I'm put lemon. I'm take this in the glasses. Okay. Now it's the wine. We're going to put white. And now, always the tonic. Schweppes. Because for me, it's the best tonic.
Okay.
Really. You taste this, yes?
Oh my god, yeah, and it's so delicious. Like, I think I'm getting very excited about this drink for summer.
Okay.
It's refreshing.
Very
it's
refreshing.
light, It's like so good. So good. Obrigada!
Thank you.
Delicioso. These are so cute. I'm so excited. We made this, guys. Time to try. Time to try. Okay, are you ready? And we did it. We did it, guys.
Thank you. Go.
Wow. It is still very hot, but it's delicious.
Super creamy.
Look at this.
Flaky.
Like, is the center that has so many layers because you cut it like that? ¿Verdad? No.
Wow.
You have no excuse.
This is the best one we've had. This is fresh, fresh, fresh.
Super fresh.
Wow.
So some people eat it with cinnamon, some other no. We love cinnamon. And if you come here, you even have a doggy bag. O sea, te lo llevas a casa, te lo puedes llevar y así te lo comes in the middle of the day, walking around this beautiful city, Puerto. Bueno, ya va. O sea, we have to hug and love these women. If you are in Porto, you have to come and do this experience. Like, this is literally the most amazing, excited and delicious.
Tasty.
Yeah, tasty.
Pastel de nata.
Muchas
so much.
gracias. Gracias, Patricia. Bueno, invite our audience to do it.
So we are waiting for you at Roller Studio for the Pastel de Nata workshop and tile
And
painting.
also the tile painting.
workshop.
Yeah, we're going to.
Bye
You have to
bye.
come. Mwah, we love you guys.
Don't forget to hit that bell. Subscribe. Follow us.
Sí, sí, sí. No se olviden de seguirnos y dejarnos todos sus comentarios.